Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing some more parts.
Yes, we are. And these are some parts we've been waiting on for a couple days, and we are excited. So, do you know what they are?
No.
You don't even know what they are?
No.
Oh my goodness. Well, I know what they are, and Nathan knows what they are, don't you, Nathan?
Yep.
So, easy. Don't get crazy on me. All right, let me tell you where they're from. They're from California. So does anybody have any guesses? You gotta go easy, Reagan. Boy, she's into it, gang. Look at her, she's going crazy. Oh, they're in a box, which is kind of typical, it seems like. So, I know what they are. What are they, Reagan?
I don't know. I'm gonna open them.
All right, let me help you. Oh, what's it say?
Alright. It says
ANVIL Auto. Well, you don't have to read that part. Guys and gals, these are the new... Hold on, Reagan. She's more excited than me. These are the new LED headlights. I don't even know if I could get them out of the box. Oh my goodness. So there's a little connector of some sort, some wire. We really, oh my goodness, how do you even get them out? Oh.
Want me to help?
Sure. Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that, guys. So, if you all don't know, we have the new Terminator X. We have the Dash. We have the, what else? So much has been going on. Let's see. We have the Pro Dash. We have a roll cage. We have so much stuff coming. So, you know, we're going to try to start making videos with us working, but we've been doing a ton of body work. We got the dash, we got the windshield kicked out. So we're doing it, guys. It's a lot of work, but we're making it happen. Right, Reagan? So, check this out. Look at the quality. This is for ANVIL Auto, which they're the ones that do all the carbon fiber. And these are supposed to be equivalent to JW speakers and Oracles and some of the really top-notch brands. So what I'm going to do is do a review on these, because ANVIL Auto really makes a lot of good stuff. So what we're going to do is box them up, because we're not ready for them yet. But when we do get them in, we will do an update video and show you what's going on. So thank you for watching. You glad? You like them? You happy with them?
Yeah.
We're happy with them, and we'll give you an update later on the install and how they look and how they perform, but they're supposed to be really good. So thank you for watching. Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on CW Adventures. Bye!
Bye.